Hey guys, Michael from Bay & Bay here again with another video. We're going to be talking about cargo securement. Well, we're getting close to the holiday season, so that means theft is even at a higher level than normal. The thieves are out there, they're looking for a quick buck. Coming from former law enforcement, I've taken many cases where people have broken into vehicles trying to just get that quick dollar so they don't have to work for it. Well, here at Bay & Bay, we're going to tell you we're going to make them work for it. If they're going to try and get into our equipment, it's not because you didn't make it easy for them. We tell you, park into a secure item. So a building, a light pole, like a heavy duty fence, not a chain link because that can be easily snipped. We want you to back it into something so they can't easily get into the back of the trailer. Another one is, we're going to suggest that you buy one of these padlocks. We have them here at Bay & Bay for purchase. We would say put a heavy duty lock on. Again, it deters them from getting into the trailer. It's not something they're going to want to have to fight with. And lastly, just know that when you're out there on the road, don't let people know what you're hauling. It's better for you if they don't know, because they're not gonna go look through trailers if they can just find one that's quick and easy. They're gonna leave you alone and keep your product safe. Have a great one.